Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some lemon pepper cashews. Real easy to do. Now, in this bowl, I have 2 cups of raw cashews. You should be able to find raw cashews at any big box grocery store. If you do have to use the ones that are already salted, just omit the salt that I'm going to be adding later. But 2 cups of raw cashews, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of lemon pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Again, if you, for whatever reason, have to use the cashews that are already salted, just omit the salt. And then you just want to toss around the coating in this bowl here, and just make sure your cashews are all coated. You should have preheated the air fryer to 330 degrees. All right, we've got our air fryer all ready to go. Then we're going to place our cashews in that. And then you're going to want to fry these for 3 minutes. Give them a little shake. Put them back in for 4 more minutes, and then we should be ready to enjoy. And when they do come out after the 4 minutes, lay them out on a paper towel and allow them to cool completely. All right, and after all that, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. A perfect Christmas snack for any Christmas occasion. And I gotta say, these were absolutely delicious. They did not last very long. So like I said, they're super easy to do. Anyone can make this. It's a perfect little thing to bring over when Grandma invites the clan over. Easy to double, triple the recipe. And yeah. So that's lemon pepper cashews. Done.